Summer classes to us is like a regular semester. In public school, it was a bad thing to go to summer school. Here, summer semester is a normal semester for us.
You teach summer school?
I teach all year round. So I have some people who want to take summer classes because they want to get through with that degree so much faster. I have some people who say, I don't get financial aid in the summer, so as long as I don't get financial aid, I'm not going to go to summer school. But it's just a normal, our summer school is 10 weeks. So a 15-week class down to 10 weeks, so the classes are a little bit longer and move a little bit faster. But I will tell y'all, if y'all haven't taken summer classes are more laid back. The classes are smaller. It just doesn't seem like it's in such a hectic. They're just a little, but they cost the same. Everything's the same, but a lot of people, their financial aid determines whether they're going to go somewhere or not.
I mean, will financial aid cover the summer?
It's according to what kind of financial aid you get. And a lot of times when they give you that refund in the spring, they give you that refund and tell you whatever you have left over could be used for summer. But a lot of people spend that money, and then come the end of the semester, they can't go to summer school because they don't have any money, but they really got it when they got their refund.
I'm going to summer school, but I'm having to get ready.
So, and a lot of people go all year round just so they can keep in the groove.
Yeah.
Now, yes,
Okay, now, if I have to take 155 math later, I mean, how many maths in between this and that are there?
now remember when we did, and I'll draw it out for you. We talked about this the first week of the semester, but y'all didn't know what way was up. Here's 033, you have 107, you have 155, and you have 170. And then you have 101, 102, 110, or 120. So according to what your degree is, determines how many maths you have.
Okay, it was human services.
So if you're math 155, that means as soon as you leave 033, you go to math 155 and you're done with math. If you're 170, you go straight to 170 and you're done. If you're 107, you go straight to 107. But if you need 110 or 120, you've got to do 101, 102 to get to those.
My degree
You need
requiring a lot of
120.
math. I can't.
110 nursing stuff, you're going to have to go down that.
How about radiology?
Okay?
Same thing.
So, and just to show you, it's in your, and I know most of y'all didn't listen to me at the beginning of the semester, which is fine. If you come up here to the rank rack and you click on instructor resources, I have out here, what math class do I need to take next? So if we click on that, what math class do I need to take next? It's going to bring up a spreadsheet. And I'm listing every degree. So you asked me for what?
Radiology.
Okay, so radiology needs math 110.
So when you finish with this,
Human services that we talked about just a minute ago, human service needs math 155. So early childhood, if you're just getting a certificate, you don't need any math, other than get out of 031 and 032 and 033. If you're doing a diploma, you need math 155.
what about dental?
Dental hygiene is math 107. So after this class, you'll have math 107. Anybody else want to know theirs?
I can change that.
Anybody else? So, for example, when y'all go out there, when you go into your advisor's office, they're not going to want a lot, some of them will, but the majority of them are not going to want to sit there and say, okay, do you like this class better or do you like this class better? Do you want this teacher or do you want this teacher? So over the next week and a half, y'all need to go out there and say, I need math 155, I need English 101, I need a history, I need a whatever. So you can come out here to search for sections. Now, a couple of you, like Kiara needed a math 101.
I
So-
need a math 102, I need a math everything.
So if I go to math 101, let me show you the difference between, see how it has the word more? We all know that 101 is a whole class, so it has lecture and lab. Y'all have lecture and whole.
Again?
033, 101, and 102 have the, so when it says more, that's telling you that I couldn't fit everything in that box. So if you want to sign up for this first class, you need to click on the title to make sure that both of your classes, so you have class on Mondays and Wednesdays from 2:25 to 3:15, and Monday and Wednesday from 3:30 to 4:45.
There's no Tuesday and Thursday class?
So if I want, oh, watch this. If I come over here, go to Web Advisor, and I have some students say, I only want Tuesday, Thursday classes. If you click on search for sections, and you go to 15-week, and you only want Tuesday, Thursday classes on main campus, I can get very specific and say, I want my class to be after 9 o'clock in the morning and before 2 o'clock in the afternoon on Tuesday, Thursday. So when I hit submit, it's going to tell me every possible class, unless I choose math or something else. Go with
You
me?
ain't teaching that?
Teach what?
101, 102.
Now, here's another thing. Y'all all hear about who do I need to take or who do I not need to take. In Web Advisor, you can uncheck all this stuff, and you can say, I want to find a certain teacher. So if you want to look up Cooper, I don't know what I'm teaching.
Oh.
So if I type in my name and I hit submit, it will bring up everything that I'm down for the full semester.
Well, what is that really? What is free class? What you got?
I have 033 Hulk class, and I have a 107 stats class. Now, you can come to me and say, Ms. Cooper, you're not teaching 101, who do you recommend? I'll tell you what I hear on the streets.
What you heard on the street?
Yeah, what you heard on the street? I need to
So when the camera goes off, we'll talk about that, what I hear on the streets. Now, so if it has more, like see how this one has more, you need more stuff in there, but this one does not have more, so everything's written in that one box. Yes.
Okay, like with the degrees, if I'm doing human services, will it be a degree in arts or science or human services itself?
Human services is its own degree.
Okay.
So you have human service degree, you have
It's
AA.
still listed as an associate's?
Yes, it's an associate's degree, which means it's a 2-year degree.
Right.
It's associates in human services.
What kind of degrees are up under applied science and stuff? What people graduating with? What they doing?
And that's another thing. I have a lot of people who say, Ms. Cooper, I don't know what I want to be when I grow up. I haven't decided what I want to be when I grow up. So if we go, you want to do something you're saying in the health field.
Yeah.
Okay, so if I come out here to advisors and I click on health science, which is the medical field, then you can see all the different types. And if you go to your catalog and you look up human service or dental hygiene, or you look up medical lab, you can see what's required. If you want to know what kind of job can you get in these degrees, make an appointment. If you're interested in any one of these, make an appointment and say, I don't know if this is what I want to be, what does it require, and what kind of job can I expect to have when I graduate?
Okay.
Some do and some don't. But y'all need to be knowledgeable, because if you're not knowledgeable, you're putting your education in somebody else's hand. I've heard too many times people say, I went to the 100 building and they put me in this class and I wasn't supposed to be in this class and it's y'all's fault. Ultimately, it is your fault. And I hate to say that, but when you go to Web Advisor, it says right here, students are responsible for the courses they choose or courses that have been chosen for you.
I got a question.
So you need to know what you need to be in, not anybody else. And y'all need to decide, this math class, I want it from this time to this time, and then I need a history class or whatever. But they may put you in an 8 o'clock class and then not another class until 12:30, and you're stuck here all day. Now, let me cut this off first.